my name is Carolina, and today I'm going to talk about the skill 12, that is agreement after expression of quantity. So, well, a problem that occurs when a subject is expressed quantity is when you don't know that is when it's plural and when singular. So, in this case, for example, when the subject is mean that is quantity, the correct expression is when they use all, some, or most, um, followed by the preposition of. So one of the example that mentioned on the TOEFL book is, for example, the singular example is most of the meal was delicious. The expression most always can be on the first one, firstly. Most of the meal was delicious. So the meal can it's mean that is singular because it is not mentioned meals. So meal is singular, was and were was is different. Was is for singular subjects, and were is for plural. So in this case it's correct because it's talking about singular. The second example is most of the meals were delicious. In this case it's plural because it's talking about meals. Meals is more than one, and where it's talking is means that is plural. So in this case is plural. And the third one, it can be singular or plural, but in this case is uncountable. Why? Because in this case it means that is most of the food was delicious. Okay, was delicious, sorry. Food can be refers that one or more is not expressed exactly, that is one or more than one, that is singular or plural, is not exactly. So was delicious in this case is uncountable because we don't know how much food is on the is talking about. So for example, remember that when it's expressed quantity, the expression all, most, some, half, and part, it's required always. And then is the object, and then is a verb. This is the expression correctly in a sentence. For example, in the exercise 12, I answer that is, for example, in one case that is correct is part of the soap is left on the stove. It means that is correct. Why? Because part is the subject of the soap is the object, and then where is the verb. So some is means that is more than one. Then of the movie, sorry. Soap is not it's uncountable because it's es cantidad, and then is left on the stove is mean that is one, is that is singular. So in this case is correct because it means that is uncountable in because it's talking about soap. Soap is uncountable, and it means that it's plural or singular, so it's accoupled at the sentence and accoupled at the preposition of. For example, one case that is incorrect is the next one. Some of the fruit are rotten. Some is the subject, and some is plural. On the fruit is singular. Are it's means that it's on plural. So in this case is incorrect because fruit is one, and are it means that it's more than one. So in this case is incorrect. Then I'm going to talk about the skill 13, that is agreement after certain words.